Okay, so I just read about this new AI model called Kimi K2, and the numbers are just wild. It has 1 trillion parameters.
Wait, 1 trillion? That's insane. I mean, how do they even train something that big? That's like mind-boggling.
Right? It's built using a mixture of experts approach, with only 32 billion of those activated at any given time. Talk about efficiency.
Ah, so it's like having a super team of AIs that only some of them jump in to help, depending on the task. That's such a clever way to manage resources.
Exactly. And they've used this muon optimizer, which, as far as I understand, helps prevent training instability.
Wait, so instability is a common issue with large models? That totally adds another layer to their design.
Totally. It's like trying to keep a kite flying in a storm. You need to find the right balance. Otherwise, it crashes.
That's a great analogy. And then this model is also optimized for tool use and reasoning. Seems like it could do a lot.
Definitely. It's designed for autonomous problem solving, which is a game changer in AI capabilities.
Game changer indeed. So how does Kimi K2 stack up against others like GPT-4 or Claude?
Well, the benchmarks are impressive. For coding tasks, it scored 65.8% on one test, which is pretty high.
Wow, that puts it right in the running with the big guns. But what's interesting about these evaluations?
It's cool because they test everything from coding to math and reasoning, which shows its versatility.
That's like having a Swiss Army knife for AI tasks. You can pull out whatever tool you need.
Exactly. And also, the model has a unique way of selecting which experts to activate based on the context.
So, it's smart about picking the right part of its brain to tackle different questions? That's a neat feature.
Oh, totally. Imagine if you could choose which part of your brain to use for different situations. Mind blown.
Right, and speaking of mind-blowing, the context length for Kimi K2 is 128K tokens. That's huge.
I know. It allows for more comprehensive conversations and can remember much more context.
That gives it such an advantage in keeping track of discussions. No more, what were we talking about?
For real. And it also has this activation function called Swiglu. I had never heard of that one before.
Swiglu? Sounds like a new trendy drink. But what does it do for the model?
It helps make the communication between neurons more efficient. More like a well-designed highway for data.
Perfect analogy. It really speeds up processing time. So what about real-world applications?
The deployment sounds accessible too. You can use it like any other API. Super adaptable.
That's crucial. It needs to be user-friendly for developers. And the fact they support OpenAI compatibility is smart.
Absolutely. It's like they want everyone to tap into its power, regardless of their background.
And they mentioned tool calling capabilities, which means it can autonomously decide when to use external tools.
Right. It's like a self-learning assistant. That's a level of autonomy we haven't seen much in other models.
Just picture this. You ask it about the weather, and it actually checks a tool for you. That's wild.
For sure. It's like having a personal assistant that handles tasks for you without breaking a sweat.
And the whole idea of a model with 1 trillion parameters being so efficient, it's just fascinating.
It's like turning the concept of size on its head. Bigger doesn't always mean better if it's not managed well.
Exactly. It really challenges the notion of how we perceive AI scalability. And can you believe the complexity?
I know, right? But here's something to ponder. How do we keep these powerful AIs ethical and in check?
Yes, that's the big question. As they get smarter, the implications for society are massive.
Totally. This model could change everything from education to customer service. The future is really exciting.
It definitely is. I can't wait to see what innovative uses will come out of this tech.
Same here. This is the tip of the iceberg. Imagine Kimi K2 learning and evolving over time.
As it gets adjusted and trained further, we might witness breakthroughs we can't even imagine yet.
That thought gives me chills. The possibilities are endless. The future is here.
Absolutely. And we're just getting started. This discussion has opened up so many avenues to explore.